The wetsuit, mankind's answer to the challenging weather conditions faced while trying to get your stoke on. And now Vissla has developed a line of wetsuits with the finest materials and construction to keep you in the water longer. So no matter the condition, you'll be free to frolic amongst the sea life wherever the waves may take you. Before designing each wetsuit, Vissla is always up to the task to determine how to make it as eco-friendly as possible. Japanese mined limestone is used to provide that buttery look and feel. The natural limestone replaces petrochemicals in the neoprene and has less environmental impact than the traditional petroleum-based materials. Carbon black, one of the key ingredients of neoprene, can now be pyrolyzed from scrap rubber tires. That's a win. This significantly reduces energy consumption and cuts CO2 emissions by 200 grams per wetsuit. All black jersey and taping are dope dyed. Dope dyeing infuses dye pigments into a molten plastic solution to produce colored yarns. This saves tremendous amounts of water while reducing energy consumption and water pollution. Don't forget about the knee pads. All knee pads on every Vissla wetsuit utilizes upcycled materials. Thank the lucky stars! All our fabric mills have received the Blue Sign System Partner certification. Blue Sign sets up rigorous standards for manufacturers to abide by, which include monitoring the reasonable use of chemicals, water resource utilization, efficiency, and waste disposal. As diverse as a flock of migrating Mongolian snow egrets, let's now have a peek at the minuscule details that set Vissla's range of wetsuits apart. The 7 C's. Everything you need in a wetsuit, nothing you don't. Based on the premise of less is more, Vissla's stripped away the irrelevant knickknacks and designed a suit to give you what you need: warmth in the ocean. With super stretch lightweight neoprene, sealed seams, quick dry insulated lining, a superb tailored fit, and a minimal bulk chest zip closure system, they've built you a top-of-the-line wetsuit at an approachable price. Doesn't get much better than that. With minimal branding, the 7 C's offers an elevated, minimal look, so you don't get confused for a NASCAR driver when headed to the beach. Cozy. The 7 C's features just the right amount of thermal brain fuzz lining to insulate your suit for a toasty interior without restricting any movement. The brain fuzz also allows the air to move freely through the material, allowing a faster drying time. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Each 7 C suit uses Vissla Super Stretch Neo 2.0 taping on every seam, allowing maximum seam sealing while maintaining unrestricted stretch and comfort. If you're looking for a great everyday suit, the 7 C's is your go-to. The High Seas wetsuit, the go-to for a high-performance, lightweight wetsuit with unparalleled flexibility. A step up from the 7 C's wetsuit, the High Seas is Vissla's most high-performance wetsuit, engineered to be lightweight and flexible without sacrificing warmth. The no-zip entry minimizes bulk while maximizing the suit's elasticity and watertight capabilities. Go on then, give it a bit of a tug. That's what Vissla calls ridiculous rubber. It's the newest, most flexible, high-performance jersey used in any of Vissla's wetsuits. This suit was designed to have the softest, stretchiest upper torso and arms to allow an unrestricted, full range of motion. Now this here is a specifically designed male and female channel barrier to prevent flushing, keeping you high and dry. Oh, to be high and dry. Constructed with 100% iFoam neoprene, this material is the lightest weight, warmest, and stretchiest limestone-based neoprene available, weighing significantly less than its counterpart. There it is, the North Sea's wetsuit, an ode to the cold water surfer. Bask in all of its frigid temperature glory. With advanced materials and features, the North Seas are a technical series of wetsuits designed and constructed for the coldest of surfing climates. While using the same premium and eco-friendly materials as the high seas, the North Seas is made with additional features that provide a whole new level of warmth and durability. The new North Seas is a true testament to the new eco-friendly technology available in wetsuit manufacturing. As opposed to a solvent-based glue, all the chemicals have been ditched and replaced with the more eco-friendly Aqua Alpha water-based adhesive for all the seams. In addition, the jersey used on the North Seas utilizes recycled yarns made up from scrap fabrics. Holy scrap! More fuzz equals more warmth. It's as simple as that. The interior is coated with more brain fuzz to keep you snug and toasty. This furry lining will also increase drying time, so you're not stuck trying to put on the same wet wetsuit time and time again. The material makeup of the North Seas were all chosen to be the most durable to withstand all you can throw at it. It utilizes the mighty power seam technology to keep it locked tight and bulletproof. Not to be taken literally. As a gentle reminder before we go, take special care of your Vissla wetsuit and it will take care of you. Always rinse the suit with fresh water after use and hang your suit dry in the shade, out of direct sunlight. Thank you for joining us for the ins and outs of Vissla wetsuits. And always remember, you miss 100% of the waves you don't catch.